Willie D Live.
Now, have you came across anybody that you know in your courtroom?
All the time.
You
My
did?
cousins.
When your cousins come into your courtroom and they see you, they already know that you're their cousin. They know that, that my cousin's a judge.
One time they
this gonna
didn't.
be easy.
One time, well, I have to recuse. So whenever I see a Thomas, I check my docket every. So my family's I'm born and raised Houston.
Okay.
6th generation Texan. My dad went to Kashmir. My mom went to Yates. So most of my family still lives on the north side, and then my dad's side, and most of my family still lives on the south side. So I have a lot of family members. So I even experienced that when I was a DA. I had cousins, and it is an interesting place to be in because you feel like you have a lot of power, and then somebody who you're just like 1 degree removed from is in this situation that is starkly different from you.
And you can't help them.
You cannot do a thing. You, in fact, have to recuse. You cannot be involved in any way. And that's what people, I think, thought when I took the bench. Oh, my cuz is a judge. My cuz is a judge. She's going to get me out. There's absolutely nothing I can do. In my capacity, now, can I send you resources for people who I think are excellent attorneys? Sure, but I can't do anything. But it really puts into perspective the privilege I have, right? And the privilege, that's why I always tell people, like, my parents really gave me the privilege to dream because I could go to college and not think about how I was going to get through college. I could go to law school and not be stressed out about how I was going to make it through law school. I could start off at the DA's office making $60,000 and $70,000, and I knew I was going to be okay because I had that support system. And so that's why I always feel, one, grateful, but also kind of like, what are you going to do in this role to help other people in the capacity that you can, right? Like, I can't dismiss your case. That's one of the things people think judges can do. I can't dismiss your case. I can't go and do any sort of favors for you, but what can I do in this capacity with what I have?
Going back to helping out a family member or a friend, you could go to your colleague who has the case and say, hey, that's family guy.
I can't.
I mean, you could, but it would be illegal.
Yeah.
See, that's why I couldn't be a judge. Because I'm letting my people, look, man, that's my fam. You know what I'm saying? Look out, Yeah, they're going to kick me out. That's why I say I already know. It's certain things I just cannot qualify for. Like, I'm not good as a landlord. Like,
why?
Because if you owe me money, you're gonna pay me my money.
One way or another.
You're not gonna sit up in my house and squat. You know what I'm saying? You're not gonna sit up there and squat. You're gonna and talking about sue me, take me to court.
Tenants have a lot of rights.
Take you somewhere, but it ain't gonna be court, partner. You're not gonna make it to court because I'm paying taxes on this place.
Mm-hmm.
I'm paying for expenses and all this stuff, and I'm paying mortgages. And you sit up here laying up here free? Oh no, no, man.
Well, you're self-aware. You know.
You got about 24 hours, man. After that, I can't be responsible for your safety.
I didn't hear that.
It is what it is.